Today, I'm sharing my journey of trying the keto diet for 30 days. Spoiler alert, it was a wild ride. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly talk about what the keto diet is. Keto is a low-carb, high-fat diet. The idea is to get your body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbs. I decided to try keto because I wanted to see if it could help me feel more energetic and lose a few pounds. Plus, I've heard so many people rave about it. The first week was tough. I felt tired and had cravings for carbs. But I stuck with it. I focused on eating lots of veggies, meats, and healthy fats. Slowly, I started to feel better. By the second week, I was really getting the hang of it.